Did you know Britain's most dangerous prisoner has been locked in a glass cage for over 40 years? Robert Maudsley killed 4 people, 3 of them while already in prison. His first victim was a man who showed him photos of abused children. Maudsley strangled him with a wire, but it was his final murder that changed everything. He cornered another prisoner in his cell, tortured him for 9 hours straight, then cracked open his skull and allegedly ate parts of his brain with a makeshift spoon. Prison officials had never seen anything like it. They built something unprecedented, a bulletproof glass cell beneath the main prison, completely isolated from every other human being. Maudsley has lived in this glass box for 4 decades, 23 hours a day, no human contact, just books and a radio. He's known as the real-life Hannibal Lecter. The specialized security costs taxpayers millions every year, and there's no release date. Robert Maudsley will likely die in that glass cage, the most isolated man in Britain's prison system.